pig processing, not peanut brittle. Ah, well, it is. Except peanut brittle is so much easier to make than, well, processing a pig. It actually took a few weeks. This was our first year harvesting pigs, and it went quite successful. I think the biggest challenge that we have faced throughout this whole entire process was just being emotionally attached to the animals. It was the first thing you saw waking up. You know, you're going out to the animals, giving them treats and saying hello, and not being able to do that so much anymore. It's you know, it was a little challenging. However, we were able to package meat for a whole year. So we have a total of 3 freezers stacked with meat, all hormone free, all clean food, which is fantastic. And we can't thank our friends and family enough, especially with it being the first round of harvesting pigs. You know, you're dealt with some challenges, of course, and just having a good support system makes it an overall great experience. So enjoy the rest of this video.
Thanks for joining us on another episode of Cultivating Cushing. I'm your guest host, Matt Cushing. I've been working here behind the scenes a little bit with my brother. Whenever he calls for help, I come on by. So I was here for the beginning of this process, which was when the pigs were in the pen. You know, we harvested the animals in a very humane way. I helped to do that. And then we brought the animals to the skinning cradle, where we skinned them. And after that, brought them into the garage where we completed the evisceration. So now we're at the butchering point of the process. Eric's actually getting a ham together up right there, and I'm going to be working on some ground meat. Some of the other things worth mentioning while I'm off camera here is what we've got all over here. So get out of the way. We got next to the hydration, they're using to make the sausage, some pork ribs, and there's our system right there. So you have wench from the ceiling. You can't see it on the ground over there, but down there is a D-ring on the floor. We start skinning the pig, and then once we get the skin off a good way, we attach a chain to it, and then we pull it up with the hoist, and it takes the skin off pretty easily. I would say it takes it off just like a coat. So that's where we're at right there. Get you back over here to where Eric's butchering. There we are. Get the camera steady. Anything you want to say on cultivating Cushing, Eric? What do you think? What are we talking about today? What? You need help? You ruined my episode.
Yeah, but I'm fine with this for 5 minutes here when I should be done.
What do you need?
I need to get this in this. Yes, no.
So I've just been notified that I need to help him get this ham in, that he's been jerking around with this for 5 minutes over here and could really use my help while I was filming. What do we gotta have?
Hold it. I just really stuck it in there.
That looks pretty small.
Yeah, it's the biggest you can buy, supposedly.
Really?
Yeah, unfortunately. Just wondering if I started, if I could fold it over.
We'll do 15 pounds at a time, add our seasoning, and then run it through the grinder. Ran it through once, it looked pretty good. We thought maybe we could run it through again and then it'd be perfect, and sure enough it is. So right now we got some breakfast sausage as well as some spicy Italian sausage. I believe he's looking to do some chorizo as well. Eric, you gotta think of something to say on your own show.
I'm really fighting with this thing.
Why?
It's
I thought we had it.
no.
I mean, is it close good?
Wish I could go up right here.
Nothing goes to waste. You can cut the pork fat into cubes and cook slowly, and then you will strain out the oil, and the lard will be cooled and stored into a jar, and you can use for baking and even deep frying.